Hi guys, how are you today? I'll be opening or unboxing today this GGI Mavic Pro 23. Let's see what's inside. Oops. Wow. Like a robot. So it's like a color. There you are. That's how it is. Wow, it's a bit heavy. Nice. Other one there. Yeah, probably that one can. That's it. You have to move it like this. Go like that. Wow. It's a big one. Got like three-way camera. So you can have like a 3 shots. And that's also a camera here. And this one can go like this. Vertical shots. As for what the review says. Oh, cool. That's the extra propeller. That one. And what's inside of this box? Let's move you out in here. 10. Nice, huh? Oh, this is the controller. The battery. An extra battery. I think this is just a cord for charging. USB-C. Extra of the charge, the power outlet. The reason why I like to have a separate controller, because if you connect your phone and then you're catching or you're taking a photo, once you receive a phone call, then it will end up or interrupt your recording. That's how it is. I think this is like for the thing. Well, I'll figure out. So this is the one when you go up and down. Let's try if I could powering it on. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Is it switching on? I think I have to put a battery. This is the battery. So you take it off and you can charge it. And put it back on. It can record like I think up to 45 minutes. And then it's not showing because it's not charged yet. So there's no like indicator. So I have to charge it first. And you'll see I'll test apply this sometime this week. Yeah.